In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the right hashtags for your Instagram account. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of these videos. So my name is Blanid, I'm a marketer and I share videos all about marketing and running your own business. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can find the right hashtags for your Instagram account. First of all, what are hashtags? So basically, hashtags are like keywords for your Instagram account. You need them because people will find your content through them. They help to categorize your account and they can dramatically improve the reach of your content. If you don't use hashtags in your Instagram posts, you're definitely missing out. So before I jump in and show you how to find them, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to find the right ones for your account. But just to give you a couple of tips. When it comes to hashtags, you cannot use more than 30 hashtags per post. Technically you can, but Instagram doesn't like it. They only like you using up to 30 hashtags per post. If you do use more than 30, your account can get shadow banned. And simply what that means is your account will not show up for any hashtags that you use. It's like a ban, like your account still works, but people can't find your content. So if you use Instagram for business or you're growing an account, obviously that's going to have a really bad impact. So you don't want to get shadow banned. So do not use more than 30 hashtags. Another tip is only use hashtags that are relevant to your content. Say you're a personal trainer and you're putting up posts to do with at-home workouts. If you're posting your at-home workouts, use hashtags that are relevant. So hashtag exercise, hashtag PT, hashtag fitness coach, that sort of thing. What you don't want to be doing is if you're posting your at-home workouts, you don't want to be doing like hashtag Justin Bieber, hashtag Lamborghini, hashtag make money, whatever it is, things that aren't relevant, because you may not think it, but Instagram actually picks up the content that you're posting and it will match it against the hashtags. So if you're posting a workout but you're doing like hashtag puppy or hashtag dogs on Instagram will know that your content doesn't match the hashtags and that will impact your reach. Basically, if you think Instagram isn't looking at what you're posting, they 100% are. Don't use over 30, use relevant hashtags, and also do not use the same hashtags for every post. What I like to do is create a couple of different sets of hashtags, maybe 3 or 4, and I rotate them for my posts so that there's no time where there's going to be 2 posts in a row with the exact same hashtag sets, because again, Instagram doesn't like it. It's quite spammy. You do not want to do it. Your account can get shadow banned for doing that as well. So the easiest way out of that is create a couple of hashtag sets and just rotate them. What I'm going to do now in this video, we're going to jump in. I'm going to show you my Instagram account and I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can find hashtags for your Instagram account. This is the recent Instagram account that I made, Marketing Tips for Coaches. So for each of my posts, I will use hashtags. Some people post their hashtags in the caption. Some people post them in the first comment. To be honest, I've tried both ways, didn't see much of a difference. So for me personally, I will post them in the caption. It just makes it easier when I'm scheduling my posts. I would recommend testing both ways and see what works best for you. One of the first ways that you can find the right hashtags for your account is checking out people in your same niche if you're American or your industry. So let's just roll with the personal trainer one or the fitness coach example, because that's a pretty good one. Say you're a fitness coach, you're just about to post, but you don't know what hashtags to do. First thing you do, check out people in your industry. If we just start typing in here, fitness coach. Okay, so it's already bringing up some people. So we'll choose this one. I don't know this person, this is just a random fitness coach account. But yeah, so she's got different posts there. What we'll do is we'll take a look and see what she's using. Okay, so here's the perfect example of somebody who's doing their hashtags in the first comment. Like I said, that's absolutely fine. She's got a number of hashtags here, like online fitness coach, hashtag health coach, online trainer, plant-based, coaching tips, women coach. lots of different hashtags here. What I would do is I would open up a separate note or a Word document or pages, whatever it is, and start copying and pasting a bunch of these hashtags into that, so that you can start building up like a sort of a bank of hashtags. So the ones that are relevant, obviously this person here has like vegan coach. If you're not a vegan fitness trainer, if it's not relevant to you, that's fine, don't copy and paste it. So I would do this for a bunch of accounts. So we'll do another fitness, okay. Here we've somebody who's a nutrition fitness coach. Again, we'll open up one of their posts, scroll down, and this person also, they have their hashtags in the comment. And you can see they've got hashtag fat loss tips, fat burn, lose fat. Again, I would go through these and copy and paste the ones that are relevant to you, paste them into your little hashtag bank. So that's the first way that you can find relevant hashtags for your account. So just check out what other people in your industry are doing and copy some of their hashtags that are relevant. The second way to find hashtags that are relevant is this search bar up the top here. If you put in a hashtag there, and start typing in. So what we're going to do is we'll type in fitness. So we're going to type in fitness coach, but before we even get that far, Instagram will start suggesting hashtags for you. So you see there, you've got hashtag fitness journey, fitness girl, and so forth. There's our hashtag fitness coach. So you've lots of these ones here, like hashtag fitness coaches. You can start copying these and paste them into your hashtag bank. So if we just make this a little bit smaller. So up the top now we've got hashtag fitness coach. So here are a number of relevant hashtags that are related to that. You've got your fitness coaching, fitness coaches, fitness coach life, fitness coach online. Again, just copy and paste the ones that are relevant here. So that's for like fitness coach, but we could do personal trainer if you type that in. Again, you have a number of hashtags that are coming up here. So what you need to do is copy the ones that are relevant to you in your account, paste them into your hashtag bank. So that is the second way to find relevant hashtags, is just by using the search bar in Instagram. The third and final way is if we click on one of these ones here, okay, so you've got like hashtag personal trainer life, we're gonna click on that. And it's going to bring up here the top posts and the most recent posts. So here's the thing, when you're using hashtags on your Instagram posts, the point of that is it's going to increase your reach, right? So what you really want, the objective of using them, is for your posts to feature in one of these top 9. So one of the top posts for that hashtag, because it means that everyone that searches that hashtag, they're going to see this top 9. Now this is forever changing, you know, depending on the engagement of posts. Because if you don't go into the top post, if you go into the most recent, that's absolutely fine. But then whoever posts after you, their post will go in and so forth. So you'll keep going down this list. So ideally you want to get into the top posts here. So we've searched this hashtag personal trainer life and it's brought up a load of posts. So what we do is we're going to click on one of these top posts and then we're just going to check what hashtags the person who's using that one, what other hashtags they're using. So you can see this person here, they're also using hashtag weigh day, hashtag wellness tips, fit blogger. So again, take a look at these and start copying and pasting the ones that are relevant to yourself. Once you've got enough from this person, you're going to go to the next post. And again, you're just going to copy and paste the ones that are relevant to you to build up a little bank. I would do this to the point of having about 100 hashtags, and then you can mix and match the ones that you're using. When you post using a hashtag like this one, you want to get featured in the top posts. Now, for this hashtag, it's showing here that there's 321,259 posts for this hashtag. Basically, the more number of posts for a hashtag means the more number of people are using it, the more popular it is, which also means the harder it's going to be for you to feature, because to get into the top posts, your post needs to have engagement. So it needs to have comments, likes, people saving it. You're going to be competing against these other top 9 posts. So at the moment, for this one, you can see it's got 321,000 whatever. So the people that are making it into the top post, like there's somebody, they've got 168 likes, 11 comments. This guy's got 490 likes and 60 comments. And there's a little bit of a mix and match. So if you're not hitting these numbers with your posts, like you're not going to feature. So you need to look at the posts that are in the top 9 for that hashtag and think realistically, are your posts getting in and around that engagement? If they are, if you're hitting a similar engagement to these people, use that hashtag, because then you've got a chance of featuring for it. Like if you're just starting out, you're barely getting any engagement, you do not want to be using lots of super popular hashtags, because the chances of you featuring for them, it's not going to be as much. Whenever I'm creating my hashtag sets, I really like to mix and match different sized hashtags. So if you're using 30 hashtags per post, I would break it up into like 3 or 4 categories. So I would use 10 small hashtags. So ones that you're likely to be featured for. So maybe ones that have like 100,000 posts or less. And then I would use some medium ones as well. So maybe 100,000 to 500,000 posts. And then I would mix in some large ones, as long as they're all relevant to your account. But if you start featuring for some of the small ones, you're going to get more reach and you're going to get more engagement. And there's a chance then you could push through to some of the medium-sized hashtags. So I hope this isn't too much math for you. Basically, to sum it up, the more posts that a hashtag has, the harder it's going to be for you to get into the top 9. So definitely mix and match. Do not only use large hashtags for your posts, because you're never going to feature for them if you do, unless you already have a really big account. That is the top 3 ways that you can find hashtags for your Instagram account. You can find them from people in your industry or your niche. You can find them from the search bar, and you can also find them from other hashtags like this. And remember, create a couple of hashtag sets. Don't use more than 30 and use relevant ones to your account. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, leave them down below. Also, I'd like to know in the comments what industry or what niche your Instagram account's in. But I'm excited for the next video. I will see you all there.